What are the common reasons for no sound on Sharp TV, and how can I troubleshoot them?
Hello there. Are you experiencing problems with the sound on your Sharp TV? Don't worry. This video will guide you through the common reasons for no sound on Sharp TVs, and we will explore several solutions to troubleshoot them. It's always important to remember that while many issues can be resolved with simple fixes, some problems may require professional assistance.
Is your TV muted or volume down?
Firstly, check if the TV is muted or if the volume level is turned down. This may seem like a basic step, but it's often overlooked. If your TV is muted, unmute it by pressing the mute button on your remote control. Similarly, increase the volume by pressing the volume up button on your remote control.
Are your TV's audio settings correct?
Incorrect audio settings could also lead to a lack of sound. Go to the menu on your Sharp TV, select Settings, then Audio. Here, you can check your sound settings. Make sure the sound mode is correct, the balance is in the middle, and that any sound enhancement settings are appropriately adjusted. If in doubt, reset the audio settings to the default values.
Are the cable connections proper?
Improper cable connections can cause sound issues as well. Check that all cables are properly connected to your TV and any connected devices, like a cable box or soundbar. Ensure the cables are in good condition and securely plugged in. You could try using a different cable to rule out the possibility of a faulty cable.
Is there a problem with your external devices?
Sometimes the issue may not be with the TV itself, but with the external devices connected to it. If you're using an external speaker system, soundbar, or a cable box, try disconnecting and reconnecting these devices. You might also need to check the audio settings on these devices.
Is your TV's firmware up to date?
Outdated firmware on your TV might cause sound issues. To check this, go to the menu on your TV, select Settings, then System, and finally, Software Update. Make sure your TV's firmware is up to date. Those were some common reasons for no sound on Sharp TVs and the ways to troubleshoot them. Hopefully, these steps have helped resolve your issue. If you're still experiencing problems, it's a good idea to contact Sharp customer support or a professional technician. Thanks for watching, and happy viewing!